Hello, I'm Clint Hoffman, Vice President of Marketing for Kramer Electronics, and we're here at InfoComm 2014. And what I want to talk to you about now is probably one of the most, I call it our secret weapon. It's the thing that we need to take to the next level because I think it's the future of the Pro AV market in many ways. And it is simplified, but definitely comprehensive control. And we call it K-Touch. And what you have with K-Touch is a graphical user interface. So you can drag and drop icons to make an interface to any system that you need to control. Then you can control it from your own device, whether that's an iPad or an Android device, your phone. This is, I think, the future of the market. People want to take out their phone or their iPad and control the room. And with K-Touch, you can do it very simply and very inexpensively. Now, so you got your own device, you got a graphical user interface, you don't need an expensive programmer to create what it is you need to create. For example, Matt's going to show us real quickly before I talk to you about how it works behind the scenes. Matt here is going to show you a couple examples of some graphical user interfaces that we've actually created as success stories for existing customers.
Yeah, so as Clint said, I mean, these are a number of success stories that we've had with K-Touch. So you take, for example, here's a double display room. It doesn't get much simpler than that. You turn on either one of your displays, you can choose your sources. If you want to choose a different source for that display, you can do that. So if we drop back here, here's a matrix switching application. Instead of seeing just input 1, input 2, I want to choose my Comcast box. Now select my destination. Well, I want to send that to TV 1. It's that simple.
Okay. So those are a couple of examples of existing graphical user interfaces that actual customers have created and are using successfully every day. Now, I've mentioned a couple of times you don't need a special programmer. What you need to do is create the graphical user interface by dragging and dropping buttons, and then you interface to a device like this. This is a Kramer SL12. And a Kramer SL12 is kind of an external brain box, very value-oriented in terms of its price, but gives you the ability to control many, many different things because it has GIO output, it has RS-232, it has contact closure, it has Ethernet, it has IR. So you can use a box like this to control many, many different devices. You communicate to it through your own device that has K-Touch loaded on it, and you can control an entire room or several rooms. We're using K-Touch here at the booth to control the entire booth. So all of our people are walking around with iPads and they can do things within the booth. Here's an example of our graphical user interface. You can go around the booth and control different stations at the booth here at InfoComm 2014. Right now, Matt is demonstrating some of the controls that we've created for the different stations in the booth. So K-Touch, extremely simple, value-oriented. You get to use your own device. I think the future of Pro AV control here today at Kramer Electronics. For more information, you can go to www.kramerus.com. Thank you.